Breaking news!
I'm gonna go get something to eat. But that would take way too long. Man, I'm too hungry. Hopefully there's something good to eat. What the flip?
Welcome back, 511.
Ugh, more overtime? What do you want? I'm trying to get to my station.
Get in the machine.
Why?
Just do it.
Okay, fine. Wow, do I like this new suit.
Let's go.
Who's the fugitive?
Her name's Tara. She's been accused of mass robbery and the attempted contract killing of a member of the Senate.
What's the reward?
100,000 credits. If you bring her back with weapons, we'll make it 150,000.
You have a deal.